Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we are playing some Roblox, and we are going to be playing some Obby. So let's play. So I actually haven't played Roblox in for ages, as you all know. I've played some Movie Star Planet. Really, I got just kicked. Who would do that? This Obby is supposed to be escape pizza, but there's legit nothing here to do any pizza except from this, so I don't know. Maybe it's just, you know, me. Oh god, I hate these little things because you could just slide through it. So stupid. So we jump here, we jump here. Oh my god, are you actually serious? I'm already on stage 5. Oh my god, jeez. Hallelujah. Now we're gonna jump over this. Whoa, these are way wide apart. Like, that was hard. What are these? Are you supposed to like pay them? Yes, I am not doing that. Now it's like a Lego. Wow. Did that go? She also just fell. You could just fall right through this, I think. No, you can't. Okay. Which is good, because I'm going to be like, how can we jump over them? In Obbies, I concentrate, so I like sometimes don't even talk. Like, legit. Oh god, I hate these. I always go. I kind of just jump off the edge, you know. Okay, we're gonna go here. Do they have to make it long? Why can't they have a checkpoint in the middle of it, like? Because if you made it all that way, and then you die. I'm being so careful right now. Oh god, I just picked a bad way to go. It's because I got brick arms, so it's hard. Like for people who got arms like her, but there, it's easy. But I got like. Oh, okay, I don't know. Why does my face always keeps turning red? That's like a problem or something. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's the camera trick now. The black one. Is it just gonna be all the black ones? Oh my god. It's the black ones, you know. Oh my god. That was the easiest one, because it's pretty obvious. Whoa, I bounced for a little bit, but that, okay. Jump. Right, okay. Here, here, and here. Why does these people keep dying? Is it because you're not supposed to touch the black or something? Wait, what? I'm so confused what happened. This girl was in my way. Guys, I don't know if I was recording half this, but I've done this level and, you know, just because I don't know. Because I think it stopped. Whoops. I just jumped off the edge of glory. Okay. Later, I'm gonna do like a video. What? I'm so confused. Are we supposed to touch the black? What the heck? I'm so confused. So we have to touch the black. Are you serious? I didn't touch anything. Pooh. Really, just serious? It's because I got big feet. Just because I got big feet on the game doesn't mean they have to be. Oh my god. Okay, I done it. Now these balls. That sounded so wrong. I did not even die, and I touched the red. What the heck? I don't know why, guys, but it keeps stopping. Like, I don't know why. Yeah. So, hi there, kid. And she died. It just keeps stopping and stops. It's just so annoying. It keeps bouncing. No. Jump. Jump. Oh god, I didn't mean to do that. Are you serious? This is annoying me so much. You know what? I'm gonna do that too. When you get so mad, like, to even do a level, be like... Right. I could do... Oh my god, I'm done with this game. You know, I'm gonna go back to Moose Stop Line and stuff, because I can't even do this, because I'm a quitter. Anyway, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash the like button. And I will see y'all in the next video.